Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make my favorite rice, and that's with dry mushrooms from Haiti. We call it John John. And also I'm going to use lima beans and cashews. So right now the thing is boiling, the mushroom is boiling, and as soon as it turns black you can start extracting the juice from it. So this is basically what it looks like after you strain it, the liquid from that. So now on this side, I'm gonna add, the first thing you add is the cashews, because it will take a while to cook. Then after that we'll add the beans. Add a little bit more. This rice is so delicious. My mom used to make it, but mostly like when we were having like a party, like a Sunday dinner. So we'll just let this cook for about a minute or two, and then add the beans to that. And the pot looks like this because I just used the same pot that I boiled the mushrooms. And you can smell it. It smells so delicious. What's going on? Okay, honey. Alright, so we're just gonna let this cook for another minute, and then we'll just pour the mushroom liquid in there. No, it's fine. You can just pour it. And then we'll let it boil, and once it's boiling, we'll put once it starts to boil, we'll just put the rice in there. And since the cashews had salt in it, so you want to taste it. You want to taste the water after it boils to see if you need more salt, because it could be enough salt, because sometimes they're very salty. So check the water before adding more salt to it, okay? And then I'm going to add some garlic later on. Alright, I added a tablespoon of garlic, and also this shrimp thing in there. So make sure you wash it. Make sure you wash it. And now I'm just pouring the rice. And again, make sure you rinse the rice. And put it in there. And just let it sit. Don't touch it. Cover it up, and then it will boil. Then at the end, all the beans are gonna go on top of it. The beans and the cashews. So just leave it like that. It's gonna cook very well. Now guys, this is the final stage of the rice with lima beans and cashews. It is very delicious. I really love the nutty taste. And again, make sure you don't put too much salt. This is so good. Well, I hope you guys try this recipe and have fun. Bon appetit.